6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's ignition.
T0, +1, +2, +3. We have liftoff of the SpaceX Falcon 1 carrying RazakSAT satellite for ATSB. Falcon 1 has cleared the tower.
Vehicle's begun moving downrange.
Vehicle is currently traveling 27 meters per second at 0.2 kilometers above the pad.
Power systems nominal.
First stage propulsion is nominal.
Guidance nominal. Approaching Mach 1.
Vehicles in the transonic region, about to go supersonic.
T plus 1 minute.
This is max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. This is the period of greatest stress on the vehicle structure.
Vehicle currently has a velocity of 500 meters per second at an altitude of 15 kilometers.
Past max Q.
You can see the plume getting
1 minute 40 seconds.
darker.
Velocity 830 meters per second at an altitude of 30 kilometers.
And blacker as we get to higher rarefied atmosphere.
First stage propulsion still performing nominally.
Vehicle is currently traveling 1,300 meters per second at an altitude of 38 kilometers.
Inertial guidance.
Vehicles trimming out alpha in preparation for MECO. There'll be a 5-second delay between main engine cutoff and stage separation, then 4 more seconds before second stage ignition. There's MECO.
First stage MECO.
Stage separation. And Kestrel
Stage
ignition.
separation confirmed.
Second stage ignition confirmed.
Okay, the stages have separated. The second stage is ignited. Second stage is currently traveling 2,800 meters per second at an altitude of 108 kilometers.
Approaching fairing separation.
Coming up to fairing sep.
Camera move to forward view.
Separation confirmed.
We've had a clean
Video's a
fairing
bit
set.
choppy, but
Both
the
halves looked equal.
Second stage propulsion performance
fairing
is
came
nominal.
off beautifully.
Guidance nominal.
You'll see the stiffening bands fall off the Kestrel nozzle in a minute. They're designed
T
to fall off
plus
when
3
it gets
minutes
hot.
40
There we go.
seconds. The vehicle is traveling 3,000 meters per second at an altitude of 150 kilometers.
Good telemetry lock on both stages.
The Kestrel engine fires for over 6 minutes on the way to orbit. Vast
Passing
majority
through
of the
T plus
acceleration
4
occurs in
minutes.
this phase.
Vehicle is traveling 3,000 meters per second at an altitude of 172 kilometers.
Power systems nominal.
I should point out that
Second stage propulsion is nominal.
we may lose
Guidance
video and telemetry just prior to second stage shutdown, depending on
T plus
the
4 minutes
vagaries of
30
upper
seconds.
atmosphere
Both
RF
velocity and
propagation.
altitude are nominal at 3,200 meters per second at an altitude of 196 kilometers.
But that's another 4.5 minutes from now.
Telemetry lock still good.
Second stage propulsion performing nominally.
Guidance nominal.
We are still seeing nominal flight.
T plus 5 minute 30 seconds. Current velocity 3,600 meters per second at an altitude of 230 kilometers.
At 230 kilometers altitude, Falcon 1 is currently well beyond the official boundary of space at 100 kilometers.
Currently 3 minutes into the second stage burn, passing through T plus 6 minutes. Velocity 3,800 meters per second at an altitude of 243 kilometers. Both are above nominal.
Propulsion is performing nominally on the second stage.
T plus 6 minutes, 30 seconds. Velocity 4,150 meters per second. Altitude 255 kilometers.
We are about 2.5 minutes from
Second stage
SECO.
propulsion's performing nominally.
T plus 7 minutes. Current velocity 4,400 meters per second at an altitude of 260 kilometers.
Power system still nominal.
Guidance is nominal.
At SECO, we will be in a parking orbit. 38 minutes later, over Ascension Island in the South Pacific, we will relight the second stage
T
engine
plus
to
7 minutes, 30
circularize the orbit.
seconds. Velocity 4,800 meters per second. Altitude 265 kilometers.
And after that short second burn, we will be deploying the RazakSAT spacecraft into orbit.
Second stage telemetry still nominal.
Second stage propulsion nominal.
Guidance
Launch,
is nominal.
launch pad safing is complete. Passing through T plus 8 minutes. Velocity 5,400 meters per second at an altitude of 267 kilometers.
As I mentioned, we are expecting to lose RF signal, telemetry, and video sometime in the next minute and a half, and it may be before second stage engine shutdown. Somewhere here we're expecting some dropouts. SECO is about 9 minutes,
Vehicles
15
in terminal
seconds.
guidance.
Nominal.
Propulsion performing nominally.
T plus 9 minutes. Vehicles traveling 6,400 meters per second at an altitude of 266 kilometers.
Seeing some dropouts in the telemetry and video. Coming back in.
T plus 9 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay, we've currently gone over the horizon. We are experiencing some losses in telemetry, but vehicle has completed shutdown.
That's SECO. And with SECO, that places Falcon 1 second stage and the RazakSAT spacecraft in the parking orbit.